Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to make Windows 11 run super fast, then watch this video for the super hacks. The first hack is to debloat the system. So what I mean by debloat is we will clear out all the unnecessary apps that we don't use and that are pre-installed with Windows. And how I do that is I look for PowerShell in the search bar, right click on it, and I will click run as administrator. Now I need to enter some commands, and those commands are here in the description of the video. So you copy the command from the description of the video. For example, I am copying this command and I will copy it and I will paste it in the PowerShell window and I will press enter. Now what will happen is it has removed this Microsoft.ZuneMusic. So I will remove Microsoft. So these are some of the things we never use and which are which stay on the computer and they unnecessary cause the computer speed to go down. So by removing all these, by removing the entire list that I have shared in the video description, you can exponentially increase the speed of your Windows system. Now the second option is to go for a disk cleanup, and you should be doing this at least weekly. So I will look in the search button for disk cleanup and I will click on it, click OK, and I will check all these boxes here and I will click on OK and delete files. Now the third hack here folks is to delete the temp, prefetch and percentage temp files. So how I do that is I will click the Windows and the R button together and I will click on prefetch. I will enter prefetch and I will click enter. And then you see all these files folks. You just click on any one, plus Control A, select all and just delete them. And for whatever files which cannot be deleted, you just press skip. Do the same thing for the temp and the percentage temp folder. So I'll again press Windows and the R button and I will type in temp and I will press enter and I will delete all the folders. See, these cannot be deleted, so you just click on skip or you can click on cancel, and then you also do the same thing for the percentage temp folder. So percentage temp percentage and click and press enter and we'll delete all of these. Control A and we'll press delete. So for the rest we can click cancel. Now once we have done that, we will now go to the performance settings. So we will search for performance settings and we will click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now we will click on adjust for best performance, click on apply and click on OK. Now we'll do a Windows update. Right click on the start button, go to settings, Windows update, click on check for updates. At the same time, go to advanced options, optional updates and install any of the updates that are pending here. Now another hack is to disable the startup apps and make a huge difference to your system speed, your Windows speed. So how do we do that is we'll right click on the start button, go to task manager and we will expand it. Click on the startup apps button tab here and we will disable, we will first arrange them just for us to be clear. We'll arrange them by status by clicking on status and we will disable any startup app that we feel is not important by right clicking and we will click on disable. Another hack is to uninstall the unnecessary programs or apps in your computer. To do that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on apps, installed apps, and we will go down to see which app we do not use and we will uninstall it. There are several such apps that are pre-installed by Windows. So if you're not using it, you just have to click on the three buttons and click on uninstall, and they will be uninstalled. Now, the final solution is not a software solution, it's a hardware solution. What we need to do is we need to install RAM. So we can go to Amazon and several other places and buy a DDR5 RAM, and we can increase the RAM speed, we can increase the number of RAMs that we have, and this will make Windows run super fast, folks. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel and have a good day.